Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Features also include keyless entry, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, FWD, wheel covers, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release. Come take a test drive today.